Hello everybody, this is my first review video, and this is a review of Windows XP. This is a Windows operating system released, I believe, in 2003, and yeah, I'm going to be going through the good and bad points of this. And this is running on a virtual machine. So yeah, here's the login screen, and you can turn off or you can log in. There's guest account as well. Let's log in. Let's not activate. So this is the default interface notification. This is the start button with the start menu. You have the desktop here where all your icons can go. The taskbar where running programs displayed. Language. Stuff about Windows updates, not now. You can have the volume control. The time, which you can, I believe, set. Hopefully, maybe, yeah. Yeah. So that's Windows. That's the interface. Let's have a look at the start menu. Now in the start menu you have these programs in when you start, internet and email, but you also have stuff like Windows Media Player, Tor, Windows XP, and your recently used programs appear here. You have your folders, your documents, pictures, music, and access to your computer. You can change settings in the control panel. You can set program defaults. You can search your computer, which is nice. You get help and support, and I believe this isn't actually too bad to use. And you can run a program directly. Also, there is you can log off or turn off your computer. There's also the all programs, which has even more programs for you to use. Yeah, and your picture appears here with your username. Now let's go into my computer. So your drives with removable storage appear here, and your hard drive appears here. Now basically what's in the hard drive is like the main folders, the program files, and in documents and settings, that's like the users folder in Windows 7. So let's have a look at the documents. So you have My Music, which has music, some samples, My Pictures. This has a pretty good picture viewer, I have to say. You can do slideshows and stuff. And you have My Videos, which has nothing in at the moment. So yeah, now I believe you have a number of different views that you can choose, and you can sort via these things if you choose details. So that's a really nice feature for sorting through. You can search, I believe, or maybe not from here, but yeah. And you can see your About Windows here. Yeah, there's a search. And then if you want to search for a file, this nice doggy will help you search. So you just choose what you need. You can change. I wish Windows 7 had something like this, where you had a little person to help you do stuff, but oh well. Yeah. So let's see what I have in my music. Let's try looking for this Beethoven song. So click that. I take music. Beethoven. Oh no, wait, there's two E's. I'm a bad speller. Advanced search options. You can do these, which is quite good. So let's have a look. Oh man, I spelled Beethoven wrong. I'm gonna type in symphony. Maybe that will work. This isn't the search's fault, this is my fault. See, I'm a really bad speller. Oh yes, here it says look in my documents. Click that and then search. And there we have it. And that has completed the search. Thank you. So yeah. Now I want to show you the internet browser. Now this by default comes with Internet Explorer 6, which is usually like, let's load up a site like YouTube, okay? But Internet Explorer doesn't really support these sites too well because it's quite slow compared to modern browsers, and there's always some sort of error. Yeah, so now you see why. And it is stuck already. That is why. Oh, this might be a good time to demonstrate what you can do from the taskbar. You can close, minimize windows from here. Okay, whatever. Yep, I think I might need to. Oh no, wait, it's okay. You do have stuff like favorites, history, so that sort of thing. That's pretty basic but simple and good. I believe you can view the sources of pages with Notepad. Okay, now I will show you a Windows Media Player. So first, yeah, we'll open the program directly. Start and then Windows Media Player. So there we go, Windows Media. Right, so playing does nothing so far. Oh wait, there we go, that was my recently played item. And you have this, I believe you can get, yeah, if I go into here, you can have a nice toolbar to control your music, I believe, yeah. Yeah, so that's a good way. I would not like to update, thank you. Right, now you can also play something directly from here. You can right click play, you can add it to a playlist, so it has some pretty good features. Let's see, view full mode. This is how it actually looks, but the skin mode is better. You can copy music directly from a CD, so that's good. I believe you also have a radio, but I'm not gonna put that on for copyright reasons. Let's close this if this hasn't got stuck. I know this is running slower than usual though, because I am running this on Windows 7. Right, now let's have a look at picture viewer. Where is it? My documents. And you have my pictures. Now this is pretty cool. You can, oh yeah, you can change window sizes here, minimize. Yep, this is pretty good picture viewer, I have to say. You can view it in a slideshow, which is really cool. You can order prints, you can print a picture, you can set it as desktop background, and you can shop for pictures. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Yeah, so now I will show you some of the programs you get with this. Let's start off with the simple accessories. So you have good old Notepad, the text editor. Hello, yep, pretty basic. You do have a few font options, which is really nice, and you can open, save as page and stuff like that. You can print, which is pretty cool. You also have WordPad, which is a bit more advanced. That is actually a word processor which you can use instead of Word, even though it does not have that much features. So let's write an essay about trees. I'll just put trees are good. See, essay. Right, now let's save. So you can save, and you have a few formats you can save in. Rich text, I'll call it trees. Now you can open this directly from here, or you can go to my documents and open like that. So it's pretty good. Let's have a look. Sorry if this is laggy, it's because I'm recording. Let's see. You have command prompt. Now you might think this is for the advanced user, but it is pretty good. You can do stuff much faster. Oh man. CD desktop. You can do basic stuff really fast. I think this is a good application. Now let's have a look at the few more accessories. Accessibility. You have these things which can help you if you're disabled in any way. You can magnify stuff, you can narrate on-screen keyboard in case you don't have one. These things are for networking. This can connect to the internet. You have the sound recorder, which is pretty good for an operating system like this. You have system tools, like if you want to know like different characters, you have like the character map and stuff. So that's pretty cool. Let's have a look at some more accessories. You can clean up your disk if it gets full, which is really nice. You can system restore, but I will go over that later. You can transfer your files from your old computer easily using this, which I think it was really nice of them. You have MSN, which I don't use. Now you can check your email on this computer, provided you have an ISP. Here's your Outlook application. Good old client-based email. Now this is good. Remote assistance. If you're new to this and you are stuck, you can get a friend over the internet to help you, and they can take control of your computer, which is really good if you trust them. You also have Messenger, but quite a lot of people use Skype now. Yeah, and there's Windows Update for updates. Right, this does come with some really good games. For example, 3D Pinball, which I wish they'd included in Windows 7. These games are naturally really good. Yeah, I wish they had this in Windows 7, but they got rid of it. You have what's the games? You have stuff like Minesweeper, which is basic, but really nice games to play. Startup, this is the folder which you can put items in so that they can start up quickly. Right, now I'm going to show you the desktop. So there are some themes that you can use, like Windows 7. So let's have a look what this does. See, there's like Windows Classic, Windows XP, and you can get more themes from online, which is really nice of them. Here you have your desktop, which you can browse for your own image, or you can use these pre-given ones, which I think are pretty good. There's the autumn one. Let's see, peace, what's that? I know this is taking a while to load, but that's just because I'm recording. It's usually much faster. Let's see, crystal. They are pretty good, I'd have to say. I don't have anything wrong with it. Yeah, this is also really nice, Windows XP. But I'm going to put it back on Bliss. Apply. This is what you can customize. Say you can add the icons that you're familiar with. There's even a desktop cleanup wizard, which moves stuff that you don't use, which is really nice. You can even put your home page on, so you can connect quickly. Now let's see what this does. Apply. Oh, right, yeah, that's nice, but maybe I should get rid of that homepage thing. But if you don't mind that, that's quite good. Apply. Oh, there we go. You can have your screensaver, and you can change display settings here. So they do give you some power schemes. You can have low battery alarms. There's power meter, but this is plugged in, and there's advanced stuff which I don't really go into. You can change what the power button does as well. You have some good screensavers like 3D text. Let's say if I wanted as hello, and then if I click preview, okay, whatever, VirtualBox. Yeah, so there's stuff like that. You can change like the window. I think it's window. Please wait. Yeah, you can change colors. But yeah, the blue one actually looks the best. Now, if you don't have very good eyesight, you can change the font sizes. 1 second, and you just need to reconfigure something. There's Bandicam. Okay. Right Control F. Right, yeah. So these are pretty good. You have settings so you can change resolution and your color mode, and there's even advanced options after that. So you have plenty of display properties and options that you can use. 1 second. Okay, 16 minutes, it's fine. Okay, so now let's move on to your control panel. Now this is how you can set up your computer, and you do have plenty of options. You can turn on stuff like sticky keys, and I don't know what these are, but these are for easy accessibilities because there's high contrast. You can change your cursor. I don't know what this is. Oh yeah, you use your keyboard to control your mouse. I don't know why general's right to the right. I don't know why. Yeah, so that's pretty good. You can add hardware like printers and stuff. But it's even that saying like it recommends if you use your CD. Let's see, add or remove programs. This is where you can install or uninstall programs from your computer. So these are default. Oh, what? Who is? Oh, shut up. Go away, Windows. Yeah. So you can add programs directly from the CD. Let's see what this is. That's stuff like Event Viewer. I wouldn't use these though if you don't know what you're doing. Now this is, you get updates with this, but I believe the updates run out in 2014, so probably I would update before you do that. You can change your date and time, and change your time zone. You can also synchronize with internet time. Display, we've been on. Folder options, so you can use stuff like open each folder in its own window. You can do stuff like where is it? I believe there's show hidden folder one. I don't know. Yeah, do not show views. These are the file types that you can register like new ones. Yeah, so fonts. Here you can view your fonts. That's basically it. Game controllers. That's to add game controllers if you're a gamer. Internet options. Now this is just basically from Internet Explorer. You can change your home page, delete cookies, security. You can see which sites, privacy, content, connections, programs. So you can set this to Notepad and advanced. Keyboard. You can see repeat delay, repeat rate, cursor blink rate, hardware, and yeah, basically that's it. mouse options, buttons, double click speed, pointers, select pointer speed, wheel, hardware, so that's good as well. Network connections, I'm not too sure on those. And that's to set up a network. Phone and modem options, I don't have any. Power options, I believe we've been on this, yep. Printers, you can manage your printers here if you have one connected, I don't. Regional and language options, here you can change like currency and stuff, and import languages and stuff like that. You can also schedule certain tasks so the Windows does them automatically without you. I will go into Security Center later. We'll minimize that. Sounds, here you can change device speaker volumes, the sounds, audio, voice, and yeah, stuff like that. And you can change stuff like going into properties, speech, text to speech, that's pretty good. Taskbar and start menu. Yeah, you can change taskbar properties and which type of start menu you want, but I believe that the one it comes with is the best. I missed system. Here you can view information about your system, your computer name. You can add a description to it to help people find it easily on a network. Hardware advanced. Wait, what's in advanced? You can this. I don't know. These are to improve your performance. Yeah, and system. Now this is something I want to go over. System restore. If you back up your data and you get something like a virus, you can use system restore to restore your system to how it was originally. That's a really good feature if you're prone to viruses. Okay, user accounts. Now this is important. Windows needs to know who's using the computer at the current time, and yeah, you can create a new account, change account. Now in an account, you have you type a name, and then you choose admin or standard, or limited. I meant you should always choose limited unless you absolutely trust the person. Now this is good security option. This is firewall. You can block programs from accessing the internet, so that's pretty good, but it can get in the way, and that's just wireless network settings, which you need dongles for. Yeah, so here we have it, security center. This manages all the security. So let's see, firewall updates, and it says I have no virus protection, but that's fine. So you can manage your internet settings there. Okay. Now I want to show you the help system. This isn't too bad, but if you get stuck, there's always an option with remote assistance, and there's news groups and forums. Now let's see. Let's see if I want to say how to rip audio from a CD to the computer using media player. Let me search a CD and see what it comes up with. Copy files and folders to add a program, copying and playing your CDs, copying music from CDs. There you go. And there you have it. It tells you how to do it, and yeah, it's a pretty good guide. There's lots to read. It explains everything to you. You can favorite stuff like that you want. You can have options, but yeah, so the help is pretty nice, I would say. Let's see, you can also pick topics like if you want to know what's new in Windows XP. It lets you take tutorials and like tells you about if you click what's new. There's plenty to read if you like reading. If I click personalizing, it tells you how to. Okay, there's also this thing called Tor Windows XP. Now, if you're new to Windows XP, this is really cool.
XP from Microsoft, the new version of Windows that brings
Whatever.
your PC.
Where's the close button? It's pretty good to watch that. Right. Run is for running programs directly. Let's see, if you want to run msconfig, you just press that and then press OK. Yeah, I wouldn't meddle with these, by the way. These are a bit more advanced settings. Now, there was something else. Hope I didn't forget. I am not sure if this thing has Windows Defender, but I was pretty sure it did. Access games, startup. System tools. Oh yes, this has some other stuff like disk cleanup, which gets rid of unnecessary stuff, frees up space on your disk, but I'm not going to do anything with that. Accessories, accessibility, system tools, that's it. There's also disk defragmenter, I think. One thing I would recommend doing though, if you get this, is straight away route to the Firefox website the moment you get access. You need to definitely do that. You should always get Firefox for this, because Firefox works with most sites but is also compatible with XP, and make sure you download and install Firefox. That's always best to use that. Now you can get programs like Office for this, which is paid but good. And here's this is what Task Manager looks like. You can turn off your computer and stuff from here. And yeah, most people use this quite a lot for when it gets stuck. So, yeah. Yes. I think you have to what did I click? Oh yes, I forgot to show this. I'm glad I clicked that. This has Windows Movie Maker, which you can transform your home video clips and photos into real movies. So you can put stuff here, and this is really good. You add audio, video, and text, and you can make some really cool movies with this. Let's see, make titles or credits. Let's see, hello, and it's got some good animations, which are pretty good, and you can save your movie. Okay, now let's log off. You can turn off or log off. I'll log off. So also user switching in this as well, so you can switch users easily. That is my video. I hope you enjoyed it. And overall, I think Windows XP is really good. Simple, but good. It might be a bit out of date though. Thank you for watching.